How to update messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can update messages on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to update messages on Instagram, it's actually quite simple. Instagram has a new icon and a new messaging type feature at the top right hand side. If you're not getting this new ones over here, what do you actually do? So to actually find it, what you need to do is open up your Play Store and then just search for Instagram. And once you search for Instagram, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, just make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. And after you've done that, whenever you go and open the Instagram application, you should definitely get the new messaging feature. If you don't get it, you can come to your profile page, tap the three lines option, and here somewhere you'll be able to find the option to update your messaging. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.